Want to start using Claude 3.5 Sonnet AI for writing, coding, or brainstorming? Here's how to sign up and get access step by step. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Claude AI, Anthropic's official Claude platform. Click the Sign Up or Create Account button and fill in your email address, password, and any other required information to create your Anthropic account. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification message and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log in with your credentials and you'll be taken to the Claude dashboard, where you can access Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the powerful mid-tier model available for use. Sonnet is available for free users with usage limits, and you can upgrade to a paid pro plan if you want higher rate limits and more capacity. Claude 3.5 Sonnet will then be ready to use for text generation, coding help, or other AI tasks.